Hello and welcome to Google Sheet Pro. Today we are going to learn how to add hours, minutes and seconds to date time. So let's get started. Here we have date and time in column A, A2 and A3. We will add hours, minutes and second. Then we will add hour, minute and second at once. So let's get started. You can use formula to add hours to date and time. This is the formula equal, give reference to the date A2, we have date in A2, so we will give reference of A2 plus sign, right. Let's suppose I want to add 3 hours to this time. 3 over 24, 3 over 24, we will write it as, because we have 24 hours in a day. Press enter. Here you can see that we have added 3 hours to date and time. Now let's add minutes to this date in A1. We will use same formula, A2 plus, let's suppose I want to add 20 minutes, so I will write 20 over 1440. This is because we have 1440 minutes in a day. Press enter. Here you can see that we have added 20 minutes. Now let's add seconds. We will use same type of formula, A2 plus, let's suppose I want to add 40 seconds to the time. So write 40 over 86,400. This is because we have 86,400 seconds in a day. Press enter. We have added 40 minutes to the time. Now let's add all at once. Use the same formula. This time we will give reference to A3 plus. Now we will use time function. In time function, add hours, comma separated hour, minute and second. Let's suppose we want to add 3 hours, 20 minutes and 40 seconds. Bracket close, press enter. You can see that we have added hour, minute and seconds. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.